Hello and welcome to today's video, where we will be discussing 10 proven strategies on how to make money online without income verification. With the current economic climate, many people are looking for ways to earn an income without the need for traditional income verification methods. In this video, we will be covering various options that will help you make money online. Let's discuss the strategies. Online surveys. Online surveys are a great way to make some extra money. Many companies are willing to pay for your opinions and feedback on their products. All you need to do is sign up to a reputable survey site and start completing surveys. You can earn anywhere from a few cents to a few dollars per survey, and you can do it in your spare time. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another great way to earn money online. You can earn a commission by promoting other people's products or services. All you need to do is sign up to an affiliate program and start promoting their products. You can promote products on social media or through a blog, and earn a commission on every sale. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can earn money by tutoring online. You can offer your services on tutoring platforms or create your own website to promote your services. You can set your own rates and work with students from all around the world. Virtual assistant. If you have administrative skills, you can work as a virtual assistant. You can offer your services to small business owners and entrepreneurs who need help with administrative tasks. You can work from anywhere and set your own rates. Sell digital products. You can create and sell digital products such as ebooks, courses, and software. You can create a website to promote your products or use a platform such as Udemy to sell your courses. This is a great way to earn passive income. Social media management. If you have social media skills, you can work as a social media manager. You can offer your services to small business owners who need help with managing their social media accounts. You can work from anywhere and set your own rates. Online freelancing. There are various freelance platforms where you can offer your services to clients from all around the world. You can work as a freelance writer, graphic designer, or programmer. You can set your own rates and work on projects that interest you. YouTube videos. You can create and monetize YouTube videos. All you need is a camera and some editing software. You can create videos on a wide range of topics and earn money from advertising revenue and sponsorships. Online transcription. You can work as an online transcriptionist, converting audio or video recordings into written documents. You can work for various companies or start your own transcription business. The work can be done from home and on a flexible schedule. Freelance photography. If you have a passion for photography, you can work as a freelance photographer. You can offer your services to clients for events, product photography, or stock photography. You can set your own rates and work on projects that interest you. Conclusion. There are various ways to make money online without income verification. You can choose the option that suits your skills and interests. It's important to do your research and choose reputable platforms and programs to work with. With hard work and dedication, you can make a steady income. Thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoy the video. Please like, share, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notified for amazing content.